How does your lifestyle affect your immune system? First, what is the immune system? When a pathogen invades your body, your innate immunity will kick in first. This includes your first line of defenses. Your physical barriers such as skin and cilia, and your chemical barriers like mucous membranes and secretions. Your sentinel cells act as watchdogs for your immune system and monitor your body for pathogens. Your white neutrophils are also part of this response and become phagocytic when activated. Your adaptive immunity develops over time. It is slower but more specific. This includes two important types of cells. B cells are our cells that produce antibodies. T cells have memory and can identify antigens in our body. Your diet has an important impact on your immune system. Fighting an infection requires lots of energy, so if you are malnourished, it will impair your ability to fight infection. Therefore, diets like the Western diet with little nutritional value will decrease your immunity. An article by Munteanu and Schwartz revealed that specific amino acids like L-arginine and L-tryptophan are critical for immune cell proliferation and the function of macrophages. Macrophages are an important part of the immune system as they engulf and destroy pathogens. Vitamin D is an essential nutrient for our immune functioning. Deficiency is associated with an increased risk of infection. Vitamin D helps produce antibacterial proteins called defensin and cathelicidin. Vitamin D also acts to destroy the lipoprotein coat surrounding pathogens. This makes it easier for immune cells to destroy the pathogen. Allergic reactions occur when your immune system overreacts to a substance that is normally harmless. A 2015 study by Dr. Gideon Lack showed that early exposure to an antigen can allow the immune system to build a tolerance and learn that it is not harmful. It is super important to get 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. Lack of sleep prevents the immune system from functioning properly and makes it more difficult to fight infections and heal wounds. Lack of sleep causes decreased activity of natural killer cells, which are important for attacking viral and cancer cells. Low to moderate exercise, such as yoga and jogging, boost your immune system. This type of exercise increases our glutamine production to increase the strength of our immune cells. It also supports the production of natural killer cells that attack viruses and cancer cells. When we exercise, we get a short burst of free radicals. This signals to the mitochondria to produce an antioxidant enzyme called SOD. This increases our overall resistance to free radicals. High-intensity exercise, such as marathon running, has the opposite effect. This type of exercise increases our level of cortisol, therefore inhibiting our production of glutamine. Even after exercise is over, there is still an open window in which we are more susceptible to infection. A study done by Deluge, Sheffer, and Latini in 2020 found that this is caused by a decreased number of lymphocytes circulating the bloodstream 1 to 2 hours post-exercise. Exercise also plays a role in your brain's ability to fight infection. In a study done by Wang et al. In 2023, it was mentioned that exercise stimulates the production of BDNF, which promotes new cell growth in the brain to keep it healthy. This can be by replacing damaged cells or maintaining the blood-brain barrier. Maintaining the blood-brain barrier prevents toxins from entering the brain and decreasing inflammation. Stress also plays an important role in the functioning of your immune system. Acute stress boosts the immune system by mobilizing immune cells to areas prone to infection, like the skin and mucosa, which allows for rapid immune readiness during quick fight or flight situations. It also increases pro-inflammatory cytokines to amplify your immune response. However, when stress becomes chronic, it has the opposite effect of suppressing the immune system. Prolonged exposure to hormones produced by stress suppresses the effectiveness of immune cell functions and decreases immune cell mobilization to infection sites. Chronic stress leads to chronic inflammation and increases risk of inflammatory diseases. In conclusion, a nutrient-rich diet, adequate sleep, regular low to moderate exercise, and effective stress management can help support and strengthen the immune system.